Welcome back to the Henna Guys Frequently Asked Questions. My name is Breanna, and today's question is, can you dye your eyebrows with henna? Yes, you can absolutely dye your eyebrows with henna. Any color shade that the Henna Guys offer is safe for eyebrow use. There are a few tips / recommendations that we have for dyeing your eyebrows with henna. The first tip we have is to apply some sort of Vaseline or moisturizer around the perimeter of your eyebrow so that when you're dyeing the hair with henna, it limits the amount of dye that will dye the skin around your eyebrow with henna. The second tip was we recommend using a plastic spoolie. This could be from an old mascara wand or a spoolie that you buy at CVS or a beauty store. Putting the henna on that and then lightly brushing it through versus completely saturating your eyebrow with the henna. This will allow a better control of the color as well, because you can use the spoolie, brush some henna on, leave it on for a little bit, wash it off, and then decide from there if you need to make it darker. We do recommend starting with a shorter amount of time with the henna on your eyebrows, so maybe 10 to 15 minutes, washing it off, leaving it for a day or two just to see how the color develops, and then deciding if you want to go in with more for a longer amount of time to make it darker. From there, you can go in 10 to 15 minute increments each time, increasing the time to see how dark you would like to do your eyebrows. That's it for this Frequently Asked Questions. Stay tuned for more from the Henna Guys.